Don't expect too much from people. You're going to end up being disappointed. Always look at it as positive. You never know what happens. Either they might be busy, a lot of things came up, their schedules are packed. So be it. Leave it as it is. Always positive. As long as they're not talking shit behind your back, they're not trying to get over you, they're not calling you out, disrespecting you, they're still your friends. So next time things not going your way, then it's always next time. It's not the end of the road. So leave it as it is. They're still your friends. So if I were you, to protect yourself, then try not to expect too much. If they're there, they're there. If not, then it's all good. Again, like what I said before, there's always next time. All right. Thank you, guys.